The customer communication terminal can allow for direct two-way communication with traffic management who have been taken away from confrontational areas such as closure points.
Hello, escorting services.
Yeah, hello mate. I'm on the A52 trying to go into Bottisford. Can you come and help me get in?
Yeah, sure. We'll be there within the next 2 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay mate, thanks for that.
All right, thank you very much. Bye.
The CCT can also play a recorded message and provide diversion route information directly to a user's smartphone. The customer communication terminals are placed on a Streetworks size A frame. It has an on and off button on the front, next to the intercom, and a battery level indicator, and recharge point on the back. When on site, place the CCT on the A-frame and turn it on. Place the sign on the A-frame over the intercom and lock into position. The intercom button will turn blue to show that it is ready for use. When fully charged, the batteries should last 40 hours, but should be regularly charged when taken back to the depot. Charging stations or individual chargers are supplied with the system. Make sure before charging that the charging station is working correctly, pressing the reset button if required. It is then a simple task to just plug a charger into the back of the CCT. The charging process takes around 8 hours from flat to fully charged. The Intercom Customer Communication Terminal, providing two-way communication with the public.